Welcome to Science at Home. I'm Steve Spangler, your source of simple science experiments you can do with easy to find materials. Today, we're using, look at this simple stuff. I've got balloons and pennies and hex nuts, so it doesn't get much easier than that. I'm going to use these clear balloons because it's easy for you to see what's going on inside, but you can use any balloon you want to. Watch, here's how it starts. Take the penny and push the penny into the balloon like this, and then blow up the balloon. All right, now here's the challenge. You want the penny to jump up on its edge, then you want it to rotate and spin around inside on its edge. I know it seems impossible. It's so much easier to do than to explain. Watch. If you hang on here like this, watch what you do. You shake it and then spin. And as you spin, you'll feel it lock into place. Look at the spinning penny. It is orbiting that balloon. Kind of looks like a planet orbiting the sun, right? The moon up and then slows down. Why does it slow down? Two reasons. Friction, number one. Number two, a little thing called gravity. If somebody up in the space station was doing this and beaming that down, theirs would just keep going and going and going. It's the tendency of an object to stay in motion until a force acts upon it. We have two forces, friction number one and gravity number two. I would test different coins, test different balloons. It's a nice comparison because whenever you're doing science, you got to compare different things to see what the results are, which means I do have one more for you, and that is if you take that balloon, same as before, but this time we're using these hex nuts. So the hex nuts are not perfectly round. That is going to be fantastic because now watch what happens. Not perfectly round, which means it's going to vibrate. And when it vibrates, listen to this. Oh, it's going to make the ultimate sound. Who wouldn't want just hours and hours and hours of that happening at home with the kids screaming, "Look at my balloon!" This is awesome. That vibration makes the sound, and you're going to say, "Hey kids, let's put that away." Hey, I've curated all of the cool things that you could think of over on a page at stevespangler.com/Science at Home. And these are experiments that are easy for you to be able to try at home. Simple things using simple materials. And you'll find everything at stevespangler.com/Science at Home. Follow us on social every day. I'll upload new things for you to try.